Peacock Environment Management Award.
Setting the benchmark for corporate excellence, the 16th World Congress on Environment Management culminated with the presentation of the prestigious Golden Peacock Award.
The next winner is Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Limited, Hyderabad.
Established by IOD over 2 decades ago, these awards recognize the achievements of those who excel in creating sustainable and promising businesses.
We started this in 1991, Golden Peacock Awards, where our purpose was how to bring in competition between the industries, between the organizations, and raise the standard.
The first Golden Peacock Environment Management Award 2014 goes to Tata Motors Limited, Dharwad, in the category of automobiles. Mr. Kumar Subramaniam, plant head, is here. It is focused on environment-friendly technologies in emission control and alternative fuels. It's Tata's again. Tata Coffee Limited, Bangalore, the category beverages. TCL adopts green processes by focusing on reduce, reuse, recycle.
What this conference has done is actually brought high level of focus. You see, otherwise there were lots of small organizations doing their bit. As you can see from the awards, it's very diverse, it's all over. What I felt very happy today is that this could become a linking and would ultimately become a forum for sharing of best practices and ideas.
The next winner is ACC Limited, Gagal Cement Works. The category is cement. Friends, ACC has cemented its place amongst the winners. The next winner is Aditya Birla Nuvo Limited, Indian Rayon, Veeravan. The category is chemical. It has an energy management center for on-site, off-site hazard monitoring and control. Next winner is Shapurji Palanji and Company Limited, Bombay. The category is construction. The policies of minimum adverse impact of activities to prevent pollution and conserve natural resources to safeguard the environment. Next is Manipal University, Manipal. The category is education. Manipal has set a state-of-art environmental laboratory for air quality monitoring. The next is Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, Thal Unit. The category is fertilizer. It is engaged in pollution prevention, energy conservation, and environmental safety.
It is very good that IOD is organizing these conferences every year. People need to be aware about the environment and its importance. We are taking a number of measures to reduce the pollution, conserve energy, conserve water, and minimize the use of resources.
Yes Bank, Bombay. Category, financial banking.
Banks can do a lot of literacy. So yes, we know we are good agents for financial literacy, right? Because that's a big missing gap. But equally, Yes Bank, as a relatively young bank, only 10 years old, and we have been very well recognized today and on several occasions, can be a beacon of environmental literacy.
The next winner is GAIL India Limited, Vijaypur. Category, gas production. It attaches great importance to safety, health and environment. The next winner is the Rail Coach Factory, RCF, Kapurthala. The category is government. Continual improvement in environmental standards has been the focus of RCF. The next winner is USV Limited, Badi. Category is healthcare. USV is creating affluence for itself through its effluent. Next winner is HPCL Mittal Energy Limited, Noida. The category is oil production. The next winner is Reliance Industries, a unit of Jamnagar SEZ. The category is petrochemicals. Its main focus is prevention of pollution and desalinization of seawater for use in the plant instead of groundwater. Next is UDP Power Corporation Limited, Bangalore. The category is Power. The next winner is Steel Authority of India Limited, Rourkela Steel Plant. The category Steel, and is the first in Asia to introduce basic oxygen furnace process. The next winner is Welspun India Limited, Kutch. Category Textiles and Apparel. Rainwater harvesting is done in huge ponds, which is used with only 10% to compensate evaporation loss. Next winner is Delhi International Airport, New Delhi. The category is Transportation, Aviation. EMS is focused on monitoring and control of air pollution, water pollution, and depletion of natural resources.
Very few airports in the world we put a 5 megawatt solar energy. And second thing, we also run a complete recycled entire 70% water into the system. So this is what happened. We try to see that how we can save energy.
Apart from the GP awards, the IOD has also awarded special commendation certificate for some of the industries. The first one is Mahindra Life Spaces Developers Limited, Bombay. The next special commendation certificate goes to VFS Global Services Limited, Bombay. The next commendation certificate is awarded to DSM Sinochem Pharmaceuticals India Limited, Antibiotics, by keeping customers ahead of competition. The next commendation certificate goes to Dhariwal Infrastructure Limited, Chandrapur.
What followed was the presentation of the Golden Peacock Awards for Eco-Innovation.
I'll announce the Golden Peacock Eco-Innovation Awards 2014. The first winner is Atul Limited, Atul. Category Agriculture. The next winner is Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited, Lockim Motors Group, Bombay. The category is Automobiles. Lockim has specially designed BLCD motor for the vehicle and solar panel as the roof of the vehicle that charges DC batteries. The next winner is Micon Limited, Ranchi. The category is Consultancy in Metals. The next winner is Surat District Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, Sumul, Surat. Category Cooperative. Sumul Dairy set up a dedicated biogas plant where cow dung is purchased from the village family, gas is generated and supplied to all the families in the village. The next winner is Samsung India Electronics Private Limited, Gurgaon. The category is Electronics. Samsung India Electronics Private Limited is a private sector organization. The innovative triangle design digital inverter air conditioner. Digital inverter technology consumes up to 60% less electricity and cools 26% faster than conventional AC. The next winner is ONGC, Institute of Oil and Gas Production Technology, New Bombay. The category is Oil. Next winner is Shoppers Stop Limited, Bombay. Category Retail. Shoppers Stop started its eco-friendly initiatives in 2007 with the mission to conserve energy. It has reduced the demand load from 16 watt to 8 watt per square kilometer.
And we go in for the sustainable model.
All national award winners gave brief presentations of their major strengths to share special processes leading to their success. Institute of Directors has already published these best practices of the winners in a book called Winners Digest. The annual conference not only provided an excellent platform for exchange of ideas on critical issues, but also inspired corporates to spearhead the movement of environmental sustainability through green growth solutions by honoring them with the Golden Peacock Award.